You're watching UX Shorts, mini videos, mega knowledge. Today, we are going to discuss service design. Service design is the process of designing a better service offering by going through each task the user would do with respect to the service provider. For example, the design of the process of how a user will order eggs at a breakfast restaurant is an example of service design. A field brought to prominence by interaction designers by creating as-is task flows and finding flaws, problem areas, and points of improvement in the whole process. Service design brings to prominence the user needs and pain points with it being user-centric. Companies like Starbucks has been using service design to improve the customer experience. Many retail companies, banks and insurance companies apply the principles of service design to create more engaging and user-centric processes. The 2018 book, This is Service Design Doing: Applying Service Design Thinking in the Real World by Adam Lawrence, Jacob Schneider, Mark Stigdon, and Marcus Edgar Holmes proposes 6 service design principles. Number 1. Human-centered. Consider the experience of all the people affected by the service. Number 2. Collaborative. Stakeholders of various backgrounds and functions should be actively engaged in the service design process. Number 3. Iterative. Service design is an exploratory, adaptive, and experimental approach, iterating towards implementation. Number 4. Sequential. The service should be visualized and orchestrated as a sequence of interrelated actions. Number 5. Real. Needs should be researched in reality, ideas prototyped in reality, and intangible values evidenced as physical or digital reality. Number 6. Holistic. Services should sustainably address the needs of all stakeholders through the entire service and across the business. This was all about service design. We hope that you've liked the video. Do watch UX Shorts, mini videos, mega knowledge.